What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in last video we saw what the TaskMate application is all about and how you can get the referral code. In that video we saw that we can get a referral code from Tenowl website, but the case is not like that simple. The Google will itself provide the referral code to the people. As of now, our Tenowl application is not official or authenticate to give you the referral code. So to get a referral code, we have to wait for an update from a Google itself or any other sources which are authenticate. The Tenowl application is not valid and it's not legit, so let's not waste our time in Tenowl application. So stay tuned for update related more to the TaskMate application. And if you like this video and this information, do subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching. And if you also get any kind of update from the Google TaskMate application, feel free to share with us in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one.